Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video, I'm gonna show how to update OpenCore EFI for macOS Tahoe. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest updates. So without a further ado, let's get started. This is an EFI update guide, which tells you what are the few changes you need to do in your EFI for booting macOS Tahoe, and I'm assuming that you already have an existing working EFI that's able to boot to older macOS versions. If you don't have any EFI, follow the guide from the I button to create an EFI for your system. This update guide is done on macOS, but you can do it on Windows or any Linux distribution as well. Now for updating your EFI, you'll need your pre-configured working EFI, the latest OpenCore release, and a few kexts depending on your hardware, and mapped USB kext for macOS Tahoe, and patches.plist if configuring EFI for AMD PC to map USB ports for macOS Tahoe. Follow the guide from I button. Now, open your pre-configured EFI folder, and then replace the files and folders with the new OpenCore release, as shown. After replacing the files and folders, it's time to put the new kexts. Open the kexts folder, and replace the kexts with the newer ones. Also, put the mapped USB kext for macOS Tahoe. After replacing the kexts, open config plist of your EFI using OCAT. If you have an AMD 7000 series CPU, or higher, you'll need to configure the SMBIOS whitelist for certain motherboards. This also includes AMD TRX 40 platforms as well. A guide has already been published on the channel for it. As this EFI is for Intel PC, I'll skip this part. Now go to the Kernel tab and then disable whatever green kext, and then go to the patch section. Here, delete all the old patches and then load the new downloaded patches as shown. After adding the new patches for macOS Tahoe, you'll need to modify the core count patch to match your actual CPU core count under the Replace section as shown, where core count represents the physical core count of your target CPU, and the core count value should be replaced as per the core values provided. For example, if a CPU is an AMD Ryzen 5 3400G which has 4 cores, then it would be BA048 x 0 after defining the core count. If your target hardware consists of the TRX40 motherboard, make sure to disable this kernel patch. Also, if your target hardware consists of AM5 motherboards with onboard Thunderbolt or USB 4, you'll need to enable this kernel patch. After making the changes in the patch section, you're good to go. Here I'll quickly delete the patches, as this EFI is for Intel PC. Now go to the Miscellaneous tab. And then the Security section. Here, set the Secure Boot Model to Disabled. And then move to the PI tab. Here, you'll need to select the correct SMBIOS for your system. Depending upon your hardware, the supported SMBIOS for installing macOS Tahoe has been provided. Choose the appropriate one as per your hardware. After configuring the SMBIOS, validate the config.plist and look if there's any error. Save the config plist, and you're good to go with macOS Tahoe. Now, let me just quickly show you that with the updated EFI I'm able to boot to the macOS Tahoe installer. And you can see, the macOS Tahoe installer has been booted successfully. Currently, it shows as beta, but it's macOS 26 Tahoe. So that was it, hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, just comment down below, or create a thread on our forum. Make sure to check out the forum for in-depth guides. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.